What's on and poppin'? It's your girl Zoe, a.k.a. Nika Killa Watts, a.k.a. Naked in Nature. And I am here to share what I do on an average day in the life of moi. But one thing I do every morning is I feed birds. Crush up the nuts. Need to buy more. How pretty this view is. Hi, son. But anyway, that's definitely not enough. I need to get more. But yeah, then the birds will call each other. I'm looking for my mask and I found it. Got my little sketchy book. Can we just take a second to... There we go. And we're off. We in the tree now. Got my food. I'm tired though, so I'm taking a break. I got this yarn for a cardigan. I don't know if I like the color with me. But you know, you never know until you sew the whole damn thing. Little bumblebee. Yo, my angel's with me though. Over there. Low one. Ooh, you're going crazy. This is an edible plant called nasturtium. It's a flower that grows all over California naturally as a weed. You can put the flowers in salads and stuff. Look at them. Let's see what I got to eat. I'm gonna try these. They're avocado spring rolls, which sound fire. The birds are eating too. We're all eating. Everybody eats when Zoe's around. Wait, but actually, these go crazy. Yeah, but thanks for coming, on a little day with me. What is on and poppin'? I want to show you what a night with me is like. It's lit. But anyway, yeah, so I just made myself some tea and I'm about to probably crack my book open. Skin Folk by Nalo Hopkins. Very good author. Very good fantasy, like fiction, folklore kind of author, but not for children. Not for children at all. It's very inappropriate. Good night, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, tune in, like, subscribe, join the movement. I'm just playing.